Yeah. I didn't know it was gonna be that red. Why does my hair never come out like brownish red? It's always red, like bright red.
If you want brownish red, buy brown red.
I thought I did.
No, this is definitely not that. I could have told you that.
You suck.
But yeah, all the underlay.
My underroots. Well, as you can see, Cheyenne is squirting shit on my head, making it different colors.
Yeah, it's definitely in the camera. It's like you can tell, you see your blonde and like the red.
My hair's like red on it. Like it's wet.
Yeah.
That's dumb. But awesome.
Dumb. But awesome.
I said awesome. It's like all over your counter.
Oh, that'll come off. If not, we're moving in 2 weeks.
Ouch! Oh god, that hurts. She's obviously not very gentle with my head.
Not even a little bit.
I'm gonna cry. I'm going to. You're rubbing it in so bad.
It's like hard to tell like if I'm getting it off because it looks like I'm not because this stuff is like salmon-y and like this part's already like red.
Salmon. What about over here?
I got this.
This is still blonde?
Hold on. I have to see. I was just getting your roots first. Calm yourself.
Oh, okay. Really? Because it felt like you were like taking a blow
I was
torch
rude.
to my head. Ow!
Keep complaining, Katie.
This is our friendship. She hurts me, and I drive her places.
This is horrible.
I know.
You're the bitch you won.
I'm not. You're a bitch too.
No, I'm nearly as bad as her.
She's mean. She's mean to me. She tells me I'm
You.
fat.
You're mean.
She tells me I'm ugly. She's mean.
I'm forgetting who's in charge of your head right now.
Yeah, I know. I can feel it. Ow! I just got my hair cut, and it still feels like I got a pound of hair on my head. 'Cause I was absolutely sure I had it all figured out way back then. And I'm pretty sure you just like freaking slung it all over my face. Oh, there's our song, me and Sarah's song.
Oh god. Here we go.
There she goes, slide down the pole. There she goes, slide down the pole. There she is. There she goes. There she is. Ouch. She goes, slide down the pole. There she goes, slide down the pole. I'm going to see if my mom texted me, and she didn't.
Mom.
My mom doesn't even like me. She tells me I'm ugly and fat, too. No, she doesn't. My mom thinks I'm awesome.
My mom thinks I'm awesome.
This is gonna make me look like a super hipster. I look like a hipster. I'm not. Yeah, I am. No, I'm not. Ew. Little hole makes it like little bow tie sort of. I'm gonna stop recording this.